right click, left click and center button. Center button, the rotating type mouse is better for AutoCAD. You can use laptop touchpad also, but mouse is better operation in AutoCAD. Just move your mouse near to the object, rotate the mouse center button. So you will get zoom like this. Rotate opposite direction, you can make like this. This is the zoom in and zoom out. Same thing, you can use navigation toolbar also. If you didn't found this navigation toolbar, go to view, select navigation bar. Here, see this small arrow, click here, you will get like these tools. Here, select zoom in. Again, if you click zoom in, it will make zoom in. Then zoom out. Sometime you made like this situation, you cannot found your drawing, you can make zoom extend. It is very commonly using very useful method, zoom extend. If you zoom extend, what are the drawing you made in this file, that all the things will come in your eyes. The next one, zoom window. Click and make like this. Click again, it will zoom. That is zoom window. Zoom all, it will zoom like this. If you given limits from this point to this point, that all limits will zoom all. Same thing, you can use you can use zoom object also. Select zoom, select the object, then enter. That object only will zoom. Same type of zoom, you can use shortcut also. For zoom, Z is the shortcut, Z is the shortcut, Z, enter. Same option, what are the options you saw here, all the options you can see here. All, sender, window, objects, extend, all the options you can see here. Next one, pan. For that, click here, you can pan like this, or simply press the mouse center button, you can pan like this, or right click, pan, you can pan like this. If you have touchpad only, right click, make zoom like this. All the options you can do. Undo zoom, you can make undo zoom also.